Welcome back to Revolution *, introducing the 2026 Airstream Interstate 19X Outland Edition, a rugged, limited edition expedition van built for adventurers who crave off-grid freedom without sacrificing comfort or luxury. Based on the legendary Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 4x4 chassis, the 19X Outland Edition is Airstream's boldest interpretation yet of compact overlanding capability. At just 19 feet, 5 inches long, the Interstate 19X is highly maneuverable, making it perfect for urban stealth camping or winding forest trails. This van is equipped with Mercedes' new AWD system, replacing the older 4x4 tech, offering better grip, smarter torque distribution, and improved off-road performance. The 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine delivers 188 horsepower and 325 pounds-feet of torque, paired to a 7-speed automatic transmission balancing fuel economy with the torque needed for challenging terrains. The Outland Edition's rugged DNA begins with its custom matte black and graphite exterior wrap, paired with blackout badging and exclusive 16-inch, blacked-out wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires. A 3-inch suspension lift enhances ground clearance, while skid plates protect vital undercarriage components. The integrated LED light bar and roof rack with solar panels emphasize its backcountry focus. Inside. The luxury continues with Airstream's legendary craftsmanship. The cabin features marine-grade synthetic leather seating, with red contrast stitching and black anodized aluminum accents for a stealthy vibe. The multi-purpose rear lounge transforms into a spacious 66x73 bed, while the lagan table swivels for dining, work, or relaxation. Premium matte walnut cabinetry, hidden hinges, and soft-closed drawers add elegance to the adventure. At the heart of its off-grid capability is a robust Lithionics 300Ah lithium battery system. Supported by 600 watts of solar, a 2000-watt pure sine wave inverter, and a secondary alternator that recharges the batteries while driving, combined with the Truma Combi Eco Plus furnace, water heater, and the efficient 12 volts air conditioner, the 19X can stay off-grid for days without compromise. The kitchen packs a punch with a solid surface countertop, deep stainless steel sink, induction cooktop, and a 3.2 CUFT 12 volts refrigerator. A slide-out pantry and overhead cabinets keep your gear organized. The wet bath includes a shower, toilet, and sink, with a waterproof toilet paper cover and retractable clothesline for practicality. Airstream has also included their Airstream connected system, allowing owners to monitor power, tank levels, climate, and GPS tracking remotely via mobile app. With all-weather insulation, sound-deadening panels, and dual-pane acrylic windows, the cabin remains quiet and comfortable in extreme environments. This limited Outland Edition is capped at a select number of units, each individually numbered, making it as exclusive as it is capable, whether you're hitting the mountain trails, desert roads, or backcountry highways. The 2026 Airstream Interstate 19X Outland Edition offers the ultimate mobile base camp. Rugged on the outside, refined on the inside. Built for those who don't follow the road, but define it. Experience the next frontier of travel, only with the 2026 Airstream Interstate 19X Outland Edition. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more adventure-ready machines only on Revolution.